favela, favela, favela. Vinha aqui na favela pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau. Vinha aqui na favela pra sentar no grau,
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today I am back with another hair review, and surely not to disappoint. So today's review is sponsored by Friday Night Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this amazing wig. They did allow me to go on their website and pick a wig of my choice to review here on my channel, and this is the one that I chose. So if you want to get all the details on this wig, then just continue watching. But before you do that, make sure that you stop and follow me on all of my social media accounts. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget about Snapchat because I'm on there on a daily basis. Now, in this review, I am gonna go ahead and show you guys how I applied the wig. I'm showing you guys what it was like fresh out of the packaging, and giving you guys all of the pros about the wig. Alrighty, and at the very end of the video, I will tell you guys the cons because I did want to wear the wig at least for 24 hours before I came on here and told you guys my final thoughts on this unit. Alrighty, so let's get into this review. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig. So this wig was, of course, sent to me by Friday Night Hair, and I have already taken the wig out of the wrapper, but I haven't taken out of all this other stuff. So basically the package comes in this priority mail envelope, and it's just empty, and the hair just comes inside of there. So it doesn't come in a box or anything like that. It does come in a priority mail envelope. Most of the time I do receive wigs and they come in a box, but this one came out just like this. So here it is. It's inside of a net right now. One thing that I love about this wig already without trying it on is the hairline. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but it is amazing. It does not need to be plucked at all. This lace seems a little bit weird, so I'm just going to take this out. So it has this plastic piece just to cover up and I guess like hold the shape of the wig. Make sure that it's nice and round for your head. Then it comes with this like stuffing, and then it has a net over it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this net off. Ooh, so far I really like the curls on here. It's really curly. I'm just gonna give that a shake because it's been inside of there for a while. So this is what it's looking like so far, and as you guys can see, that's what I mean by that hairline. You guys can definitely see that. I know you see it. So this is hard lace. I know sometimes you guys want to know whether or not it's hard lace or soft lace. So this is hard lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Do I even have I'm just going to use my little eyebrow razor and just cut this little tag off. So it does come with this card, and it has like some lace front tape as well. Me personally, I don't use lace front tape, so I'm not really going to find much use of that. And then this is the stock card. This is a GLS67 in the color 1B. So here's a curl pattern of the wig so far. As you guys see, I have not done anything to it yet. In the inside, let's see, you get about, I want to say that's about 2 inches worth of lace detailing all around the circumference, so all around the front part. So that's great. It helps make your wig look really natural. You can definitely go in and pluck this more if you wanted to. In the inside, it does have a comb here and another comb here, so it's 2 combs on the side. And then it looks like another comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all the combs out of this wig because I don't use combs and it's no point of keeping them. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to probably the furthest setting as far as the straps because I have a really small head. As you guys can see, my head is really tiny, so I need to make sure that this fits nice and snug. So I'm going to go ahead, do that, cut the lace off of here. One thing that I will say before I go and do all of that, when you're cutting the lace, make sure that you cut the lace closest to your natural hairline. Now, that helps the wigs look a little bit more natural than cutting them straight across. I've done that in the past, cut them straight across, but I've actually found it's a little bit better if you go ahead and cut it at an angle and make some like waves, so to speak, so that it mimics your natural hairline. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut off all of the lace. I know it looks straight. It probably is straight. I don't know. I was trying to curve it, but it was starting to look a little crazy. So we just gonna go and try to do the best we can with this. Now, because I did cut part of the hairline, some of the hair is going to start shedding, and I really don't want to mess up the curls, but just know that is gonna happen. See, I have some hair here that I'm pulling out. It doesn't mean that the actual hair is shedding. It's just that I've cut the frontal where some of the hair was, so some of the hair is coming out, obviously. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and take my Got to Be Glued. Yes, everybody knows about this. If you haven't heard about this, girl, where have you been? Hello, it's here. It's been here. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a little bit, about a pea size on my finger, and then I'm just gonna go around my hairline. Not really. I kind of want to pull it back a little bit, and I'm just gonna do a layer of that around my hair, and then of course down here on my sideburns too.
Vinha aqui na favela, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau. Vinha aqui na favela, pra sentar no grau.
So this is the hair off top. Why is my color like looking so crazy? There we go. Okay, so this is the hairline. I do like the curls on this wig so far. There isn't a lot of space, so I guess like you literally only have that much for parting, but I am not going to part this hair. I'm probably just gonna wear it like flipped over. Let me back up a little bit so I can see what's happening here. Okay, so I will say that this wig is small head friendly. Okay, so for you girls out there who have small heads, this definitely is small head friendly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure this down by just kind of rubbing my comb on the sides. Now what I will say is this back piece is it has a lot going on, and the hair is just, hold on. Let's take a moment. Let me look at it in real life. So you guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go play with the hair a little bit because I need to see how I want to style it. If I want to do a flip over or whatever, I'm going to go ahead and put some baby hairs in this hair. I will have a tutorial on how to do baby hairs, but it's very difficult to try to do them on camera, at least for me. I know some people are able to do them very easily on camera, but I need to like have water and those types of things. So I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs, and then I will be back to talk about the rest. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did some baby hairs in the wig. I didn't pluck anything. I simply just did some simple baby hairs all around the perimeter of the wig. And then this part right here where you see like it's kind of like a waterfall, I pretty much just pushed the hair back when I had the baby hair toothbrush, and I just kind of went like that and held it for a minute. And then it stayed like that. So now what I'm doing is, you guys see this part here, I kind of like trying to flatten it out because it's like too curly. So I'm just taking this mousse. This is the A Lot of Body coconut and shea oil foaming mousse. Now this is what I used to use for my short haircuts. What I'm going to do is just simply take some of the mousse, put it on the hair like where it's like really curly. And then what I'm going to do is take my toothbrush and then kind of like try to make these pieces a little bit straight, like how this part is. It's not as curly. And then I'm just going to get my blow dryer and then blow dry that section. So let's push some of the hair away from my face a little. So yeah, and then let me pull some of the hair up front. For me, it's still like a lot going on here. Try to take some of this hair and pull it back here. I think this actually looks a little bit better. This looks better like this than in that middle section because I was just being covered in hair. Here it is up close. You guys see these curls are amazing. And to me, the more you play with this hair, the better it gets. I don't like uniform curls. I do like my curls to be a little bit more loose like this. But this wig is bomb, girl. Love it. So let's go ahead and get into all of the pros and the cons of this hair. Now, as you guys know, I literally just put this hair in, so I can't really tell you off top what the cons are, because right now the hair is bomb. I'm loving the curls. I love how soft they are. I don't have much tangling yet, but as you guys know, with curly hair, no matter if it is human hair blend, human hair synthetic, after a while it's going to start to tangle. That's just what it is. It tangles, it sheds. That's what curly hair does. But so far, I really like this hair. It is so nice and natural looking. Like, if you didn't know me, you would just swear up and down like I mixed or something. Like, and the way that I really like how I did my baby hairs today. I've been practicing, so I've been getting a little bit better with them. I feel like they look really natural, and it's not doing too much, because we all know like there's some girls that do their baby hairs and it's just like, what are we doing? Another thing that I really want to say that I really like about this hair is the fact that when you are doing your baby hairs, it is so much easier to do your baby hairs on this wig than I have done on any of the wigs here on my channel. That's why I feel like this, it has to be some kind of human hair in here, because the way that my baby hairs were able to do this, I have not been able to do this with any of my other wigs. And the way that it feels, it just acts a little bit different than what I have experienced with other synthetic human hair blend wigs. Now this wig, obviously you guys want to know how much this costs. This wig is less than $50. It is, I think, the exact amount. I'll put it on the screen because I can't say, but I know that it is under $50 for this wig. So if you are looking for some affordable curly hair, but you don't have a whole lot of money to spend on bundles, and who wants to take the time out to go and sew a wig up together by yourself, this wig is already made for you. The hairline is already pre-plucked for you. The only thing you have to decide on is how you want to style the hair. Me, I decided to go with the flip over method as such. You can definitely wear this wig down the middle. I've seen some girls wear it with bangs. I don't really like a lot of bang hair. I don't like a lot of hair on my forehead because it makes your skin break out and then you get a whole bunch of bumps. So I don't really do that. But look at the curls on this wig, you guys. This is amazing. So I will say that this hair has to be, I don't know, like at least 22 to 24 inches. So you guys, it has been officially 24 hours and I have worn this hair. This is what the hair is looking like now versus what it looked like when I first received the wig. It is still amazing. Honestly, I like this wig even more than I did when I first installed it in my head. Like the curls, they're a lot more loose here in the front and I really like that. I really like the edges, as I keep telling you guys. The frontal here is absolutely amazing. The curls are really soft. They're not hard at all. They're just like, I love them. Very soft, bouncy curls. And I found out that this is a Kananka texture. That's what it is. And it's meant to mimic human hair, but it is not human hair. And it is not necessarily synthetic. But I think Kananka, or however you pronounce it, I think that's synthetic, right? I don't know. So yeah, this wig is 24 inches, by the way. The retail price for this wig is $50. After 24 hours, you guys, I'm still loving this wig. I still do not have any cons to this wig whatsoever. Yeah, as you guys see, the curls are still popping. You guys saw the video from the intro and that was from today. So I have worn this hair for officially 24 hours and I'm still loving it. There isn't any like major tangling in the back. The only thing is my freaking necklaces, and these necklaces do that to every freaking thing that I have. It always gets tangled in my hair. But other than that, the hair is still amazing. It's still really soft. And if you love big hair, you're gonna love this hair. I think this wig is absolutely perfect for those girls out there that do not want to spend a whole lot of money on curly hair like this, because a lot of the times if you're going to get 24-inch curly hair, you're probably in a frontal and bundles and all that. With this type of fullness, you're going to spend at least $200 to $300 on some hair. This wig is only $50. You're saving yourself a lot of money, a lot of time. As I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, when I was installing it, the hairline is already pre-plucked for you. And the great thing about it is if you wanted to, you can definitely go back in and pluck it yourself so that it fits your particular needs. So my final thoughts on this wig, hurry up and get it before it sells out, because this wig is absolutely amazing. It will not disappoint you. Like I said though, it does take some work because you have to figure out how you want to style your hair. I finally decided that I do like it in this middle section. I like it to be flipped over as well. It's not bad being flipped over, so it does have some versatility to it in that sense. But me me personally, I ain't gonna lie, I like it in the middle. I don't know, I really like middle parts. You guys know that about me by now. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you once again, Friday Night Hair, for sending me this unit. I definitely will be buying more in the future because this wig is one to get. Alrighty, you guys, and until my next video, I'll see you later.